I built this area a couple of years ago to keep Nellie safe. It was when she was about 7 months old and she was just sitting up and starting to crawl around, and we put some foam down on the floor to keep her safe because we got porcelain tiles right the way throughout our whole area and it's not that child friendly. Also, I wanted to keep Sydney the bulldog out because she would come in and keep licking Nellie's face. So this served a great purpose. All it was some spindles. I cut them down in half. I put a handrail along the top and along the bottom. I mited the corners, fixed them together, and then I spray painted it ballerina pink, which is part of the French Chic range. It looked fantastic. We probably kept it up for about 4 or 5 months until Nellie was kind of big enough to start trying to climb over it. However, Lennon is now 7.5 months old and we're in the same position. We need to contain him in here, let him learn how to crawl and sit upright. We're going to put some new foam down here on the floor, and we've spray painted this with the Greyhound Grey, another one of French Chic products. It looks beautiful. I've let it dry and then I've just glued my 2 corners together. They were mited at a 45-degree angle. I applied 3C's Max Bond on all corners, held them together, then wrapped some masking tape around them to secure it in place until the Max Bond had dried. I'll take this off tomorrow and this will look fantastic, be nice and stable, and hopefully keep Lennon nice and safe.